Dear students, it's again a great joy for me to meet you in this way. I hope and believe that you are doing well. In this video, I will continue to teach you exercise 1.1 questions from 8 to 11. In my last video, I had finished the questions from 1 to 7. This is my 5th video in this series. Students, I want you not only to understand the questions but also write the same thing in your notebook as well. Today, we'll be completing exercise 1.1. In my next video, I'll be teaching you about number line and how to represent a rational number on the number line, etc. I also want you to be very serious and passionately writing these questions in your notebook as well. Well, without wasting much time, let's quickly turn to exercise 1.1, question number 8 onwards. Listen, question number 8. Let me read the question for you. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8? This is the question. Also, it has another part, why or why not. Let me read it once more. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8? Why or why not? Before I answer the question, let me explain what multiplicative inverse is. Multiplicative inverse is also called reciprocal. It is nothing but the inverse of the given rational number. For example, if a is a rational number, its multiplicative inverse is 1 by 8. Right? That's all. A can be written as a by 1. Every number has a denominator 1. Right? Here a, then a by 1. So, a by 1, where a is the numerator, 1 is the denominator. Now, to find out the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal, all you have to do is take its reciprocal. That means interchange numerator and denominator. Let me tell you. So, a will become 1 by a. Okay? Now, let's go back to the question. The question is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8? Okay? Let's first of all simplify minus 1 by 8. Okay? So, minus 1 by 8 is a mixed number. So, mixed number has to be converted into improper number or improper fraction. So 1 8s are 8, then plus 1 numerator. So 1 8s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 8. Sign is the same. So that is minus 9 by 8. Okay. Now we have to find out the reciprocal of minus 9 by 8. All we have to do is to interchange the numerator and denominator. So the reciprocal of minus 9 by 8 is minus 8 by 9. Right? Minus 8 by 9. But look at the question. It is given that it is 8 by 9. Right? So that's not right. Now let's do question number 9. It is similar to question number 8. Let me read the question for you. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3? Why or why not? Alright? Let me read it once more. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3? Look, so we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Right? As I said, multiplicative inverse is nothing but the reciprocal. So, before we finding the reciprocal, we have to change 3 1 by 3 into improper form. Let's convert 3 by 3 1 by 3 into improper form. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1, that is 10 by 3. Alright. On solving 3 1 by 3, we are getting 10 by 3. Now it's simple to find out the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 10 by 3 is 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is equal to 0.3. Right? 0.3. So the answer is correct. Conclusion is 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. So the statement is correct or not? Yes, the statement is correct. What is the final answer? 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. Let's solve question number 10. Okay. Okay. In question number 10, there are 3 parts. So let's do the first one. Right. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal. So we have to find that particular rational number which does not have a reciprocal. Can you say the answer? The answer is nothing but 0. 0 does not have a reciprocal. Why? Because division by 0 is not possible. Whenever the denominator is 0, division is not possible. So 0 does not have a reciprocal. Okay. Now let's solve question number 2. Let me read the question for you. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocal. So we have to find out those rational numbers whose reciprocals are equal to itself. Can you answer? Yes. 1. Let's see 1. What is the reciprocal of 1? Reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1. Why? Because reciprocal of A is 1 by A. So in the same way, reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So the reciprocal of 1 is 1 itself. Now let's see minus 1. What's the reciprocal of minus 1? So reciprocal of A is 1 by A. Therefore reciprocal of minus 1 is 1 by minus 1. So 1 by minus 1. What is 1 by 1 is 1. That is equal to minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 are the two rational numbers whose reciprocals are equal itself. Now the next question is the rational number that is equal to its negative. So we have to find that rational number that is equal to its negative. Okay, let's see. What's the negative of 1? It's minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 are not equal. Now let's see 0. We have learned that 0 is neither positive nor negative. It has no sign. Alright. So the rational number that is equal to its negative 0. Because 0 is neither negative nor positive. So the answer is 0. Now question number 11. Fill in the blanks. How many questions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions are there, right? Let's start first one. Let me read it for you. 0 has dash reciprocal. So how many reciprocals are for 0? Yes, already I said 0, the reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0. But division by 0 is not possible. That means 0 has no reciprocal at all. Okay, you should remember that. Okay, 1 has a reciprocal, that is nothing but 1 by 1, which is 1. But 0 has no reciprocal. So what's the rational number which has no reciprocal? Which is 0. Okay, now question number 2, let me read for you. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. Already we have answered this question. 2 rational numbers, okay, whose reciprocals are equal to itself. Numbers are 1 and minus 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1, which is 1. And reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1 by 1, which is minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 are the two rational numbers whose reciprocals are equal to itself. Now question number 3. The reciprocal of minus 5 is dash. Okay, this is a definition. The reciprocal of A is 1 by A. In the same way, the reciprocal of minus 5 is 1 by minus 5. 1 by minus 5 is equal to minus 1 by 5. So what's the answer? Minus 1 by 5. Okay. Now, question number 4. The reciprocal of 1 by x where x is not equal to 0 is dash. So reciprocal of 1 by x is, reciprocal of A is 1 by A. So here in place of A, 1 by x is given. Therefore, reciprocal of 1 by x is 1 by x. Alright? 1 by x, which is equal to x. Right? So the reciprocal of 1 by x is x. Now, question number 5. The product of two rational numbers is always a dash. We have learned closure property for multiplication. When we multiply any two rational numbers, their product will also be a rational number. So the answer is, so the product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Now question number 6. The product of two rational numbers is, question number 6, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is dash. So the reciprocal of a positive rational number is always positive only. In the same way, the reciprocal of a negative rational number is negative. So in this case, positive. So the answer is positive. Children, we have completed exercise 1.1 whole. Okay, there are 11 questions we have completed. I have explained all the questions. I think you have no more doubt regarding these questions. Okay, now I want you to write all these questions in your notebook. But before you write it, make sure that you have written the properties which I taught in my first, second and third video. These first three videos I have completed, the properties of rational numbers for the four fundamental operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first you write the properties and all of the definitions, then you will write exercise 1.1 all the questions. That's all.